What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Nice bounce for SPX. Remember, guys, we're not trading this one. We're just believing in something. If you agree, smash up that like button and subscribe if you're new. $1.27 already, up 13%. We're sitting at a $1.18 billion market cap. 24-hour volume is 57 million. So, beautiful reaction. I said if we do end up seeing a bounce, and we'll count that as a 1-2, I did say that this looked like a 5-wave move. So it's looking good for continuation. I can give you a wave 3 target for the micro wave count, trend base of extension, or the minuscule, up to the top of wave 1, down to the bottom of the wave 2. And that wave 3 target will take you up to the 161.8 is the normal target. $2.42. Put in a 4, push up into 5 to complete the larger wave 3, which will take you up to about 280. As we can see on the daily chart, we're just pushing back above the 20 EMA. Obviously, we don't have a lot of chart to work off of, but we're pushing back above the 20 EMA. Looks like this double top bearish pattern won't play out as we bounce from the neckline. As long as we can push up and break this resistance right here at about $1.40, I think it would be good to go for continuation. If we roll over before then, you can create a lower low, but as of right now, it's looking decent to continue up towards our target of $2.42. All right, gang, I'm not trading in this one. I'm just investing and believing, but I am trading other projects. We're currently in 4 trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. You get a $200 bonus if you put $1,000 into your futures account. However, all you have to do is sign up. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. Take 30 seconds, sign up, send me an email. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many projects, including Giga, SPX, Gala, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Definitely a $50 to $100 a month value in my opinion. Yours free with a sign up to Bitfinex. Take the 30 seconds and change your life. Send me an email. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.